All right, friends, right now we're gonna go ahead and make the lavender stem here, and this is also part of a larger video series for the Wildflower Bouquet, so check out the whole series if you wanna make the entire bouquet, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and focus on this little cute lavender. Okay, so the lavender stem, we're going to use 6 of our small petals and 6 of our large petals. So if you can kind of see here, the smaller petals are about 1 inch by 1 inch. So if you're gonna hand cut these, you're gonna make a little inch square and cut out 4 petals. And then our larger one, and then we're gonna do 6 of these larger ones. And this is about 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, and you're gonna do 5 different little petals for these. And then 1 base piece, and this is about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and do 5 petals as well for just that like bottom green capper piece on this one. I also have a PDF template down below for freezer paper that you can just iron onto a piece of felt, and then that way you can cut all of the patterns out perfectly each time if you want, so link below for that. We're gonna go ahead and put this on an 18 gauge wire. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this a little bit here. And then we can do this one of 2 ways. So we can feed on each petal individually by twisting them on, like so. Or I also have this little flower pick, which is like an awl, and we can just go ahead and kind of pre-make our holes ahead of time and then fish them on. So I am doing all of the small petals first, and then we're gonna get the larger ones and then that base one. I like to just put them all on ahead of time. Just makes things easier. Okay. All right, so now you have this little bunch of petals on your wire, and we're gonna just take one to the very, very top. Without coming off the stem, I've got a little bit of wire still on there. We're gonna put a little bit of glue right on that wire, and then fold our petals up. Oops, without letting the petal fall down. Just like that. And that'll be your top. And then I'm going to take my next one and put it right underneath. Put a little glue down and then smush it back up, just like so. And then I am really pushing hard at the base of the flower right here, just pinching that bottom so that the petals kind of flare out a little bit. So we're gonna bring up another petal here, and we're not gonna go all the way to the top. We're gonna bring it down just a hair, and then put a little bit more glue right in the middle, and then just fold it back up. And then we're gonna keep doing it. I'm doing 2 petals for every little grouping here. I'm gonna push tight here. So this one, I missed the hole somehow. It happens to me more times than I like. Anyways, I just snip it and then do the same thing. So no worries, that happens. It can be fixed. You don't have to take all your petals off. All right, I'm gonna bring up another one. Hold and pinch until our glue sets, and then keep going. And I'm really, really pinching hard at the bottom so that it flares these petals out. And I'm not putting a ton of glue either. And last one. And this green one we are gonna put right at the bottom of our last little bunch there. There you go. Cute little lavender stems. I love these stems. They make such a little impact on all the bouquets. Just gives it a little bit of height and just some deep colors as well. And these are just one of my favorite stems to add to bouquets. Okay, if you like this video, this is actually part of a larger video series on the Wildflower Bouquet. So go ahead and check out that larger video and watch all the other flowers that are in there, and then learn how to make your own wildflower bouquet at home. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and link below in the description for a PDF template to hand cut all of these at home.